Amanda Knox, a name synonymous with one of the most perplexing legal cases in recent history. In 2007, Knox, a young American student, found herself at the heart of a murder investigation in Perugia, Italy. Her roommate, Meredith Kircher, had been brutally killed. The crime scene was grisly, the investigation chaotic. Knox and her then-boyfriend, Raffaele Solecito, became the prime suspects. The Italian justice system, known for its complexities, took center stage. The media frenzy was relentless, painting Knox as Foxy Knoxy, a femme fatale caught in a web of her own making. The prosecution presented a narrative of a drug-fueled sex game gone wrong, while the defense argued for Knox's innocence, citing flawed evidence and prosecutorial misconduct. The case became a media spectacle, captivating audiences worldwide. The prosecution secured a conviction, sentencing Knox to 26 years in prison. Years passed. Appeals were filed, legal battles waged. The case became a testament to the tenacity of both the prosecution and the defense, each side deeply entrenched in their positions. Through it all, one question lingered. Was Amanda Knox a cunning killer or a victim of circumstance, ensnared by a flawed justice system? The world watched and waited, the shadow of doubt looming large. In 2011, after 4 years behind bars, a glimmer of hope emerged for Amanda Knox. An Italian appeals court overturned her conviction, citing insufficient evidence. Knox, her spirit unbroken but her life forever changed, returned to the United States. The world watched as she attempted to rebuild her life, carrying the weight of her ordeal. But the story wasn't over. The shadow of suspicion remained. Knox, though legally free, faced public scrutiny and judgment. The court of public opinion often operates independently of legal pronouncements. The prosecution, undeterred, appealed the acquittal, determined to prove Knox's guilt. In 2014, the Italian Supreme Court threw another curveball. They overturned the acquittal and ordered a retrial. Knox, now thousands of miles away, refused to return to Italy to participate in the retrial, citing the emotional toll of the ongoing legal battle. The case took another dramatic turn. The world watched as, once again, the Italian justice system grappled with the complexities of the case. The retrial, conducted in absentia, resulted in Knox and Solecito's convictions being reinstated. However, the legal saga was far from over, as further appeals were expected. The Amanda Knox saga took yet another unexpected turn, adding another layer of complexity to an already convoluted case. This time, it wasn't about the murder of Meredith Kircher, but about Knox's own words. The Italian justice system, in an unprecedented move, convicted Knox of slander. The slander charge stemmed from statements Knox made during the initial investigation, where she accused Patrick Lumumba, a Congolese bar owner, of being involved in Kircher's murder. Lumumba, who was briefly arrested, was later cleared of any wrongdoing and released. Knox later retracted her accusation, claiming she had been under duress and pressured by Italian police during interrogation. The slander conviction, while separate from the murder case, carried significant weight. It painted Knox as an unreliable narrator, further complicating her public image. The conviction, though later overturned by the European Court of Human Rights, served as a stark reminder of the power of words and the potential consequences of speaking out, especially in the face of intense pressure. The slander case, interwoven with the murder trial, highlighted the intricate relationship between legal proceedings and public perception. Knox, already grappling with the stigma of the murder accusation, now faced additional scrutiny and judgment. The case raised questions about the limits of reason, particularly for individuals caught in the crosshairs of high-profile legal battles. Section 4. Justice, Italian Style, A Different Approach. The Amanda Knox saga brought to light the stark differences between the American and Italian justice systems. This case served as a crash course in comparative law, sparking debate and discussion about the merits and drawbacks of each system. The Italian system, often criticized for its slow pace and reliance on circumstantial evidence, stood in stark contrast to the American system, known for its emphasis on due process and the presumption of innocence. The case also exposed the cultural nuances that often influence legal proceedings. Steeped in centuries of tradition, the Italian justice system operates within a framework that can be difficult for outsiders to comprehend. The role of the media, the influence of public opinion, and the weight given to character judgments all played a part in shaping the narrative surrounding the case. The Amanda Knox saga served as a cautionary tale about the complexities of navigating different legal systems. It highlighted the importance of cultural sensitivity and understanding when dealing with legal matters in foreign countries. Moreover, the case sparked debate about the role of international law and the challenges of achieving justice in a globalized world. With its cast of characters from different countries and its legal proceedings spanning multiple continents, this case underscored the need for greater cooperation and understanding between nations in matters of law and justice. Section 5. The enduring stain of accusation, life after the verdict. The Amanda Knox saga, a tale of accusation, conviction, and eventual acquittal, left an indelible mark not only on the lives of those directly involved, but also on the global consciousness. It served as a stark reminder of the enduring power of accusation and the challenges of rebuilding a life after being thrust into the harsh glare of the legal spotlight. Knox, forever linked to the case that bears her name, continues to grapple with the aftermath of her ordeal. Despite being cleared of the murder charges, she carries the weight of suspicion and judgment, a stark reminder of the often unforgiving nature of public opinion. The case stands as a testament to the human cost of legal battles, the emotional toll they take, and the long road to healing and reclaiming one's narrative. The case also highlighted the critical role of media in shaping public perception. The relentless media coverage, often sensationalized and driven by speculation, contributed to the creation of a narrative that was difficult to shake, even in the face of contradictory evidence. The case served as a cautionary tale about the power of the press, the importance of responsible reporting, and the potential for media narratives to influence legal outcomes. The Amanda Knox saga, with its twists, turns, and lingering questions, continues to fascinate and divide. It serves as a stark reminder of the complexities of the justice system, the enduring power of perception, and the resilience of the human spirit in the face of unimaginable